Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to move object. So as example, I will insert box and the second I will insert the cylinder tools. So if you want to move the object, you can click, hold, and then you can move into another area. You can see the dimension in it. You can change like into minus 30. Press enter to be automatically move the object. You can click the object, hold, and then you can move into another area. If you want to align, like I will move this object into center point of this box object, you can use this align tools. You can select these two objects, click this align, and then you can select the box. Now I will click at this point, and then click again in this point to move the cylinder object into a center point. If you want to move the cylinder to the top, you can use the rule tools. You can click here, rule. I will click like from this point. You can select the cylinder object, and then you can set the height in here. Like I will set into 20. You can press enter. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to move. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.